Like I was just saying, that this is literally massive Lego blocks, and cool thing about it, just like Legos, they're reversible. So right now you see that the bottom course corner is going this way. So now all we have to do is get another corner, and then we're just going to flip it around. This way we're getting that weave that we want. So then we're going to line everything up here, like how it looks. All you have to do to basically connect them is press them in, then get some zip ties, and then zip tie that together. So this right here is what an internal structure of an ICF foundation looks like. So first of all, we have dowels that are coming from our footing down below. Then I'm adding 2 pieces of rebar, and then we have these webs. So these are spacing webs that give us that 8-inch dimension that we want inside here for our basically poured foundation wall. These webs also allow for us to tie the blocks together. So this block locks in with this one for alignment purposes, but then with this massive zip tie, we bring them together. Then, let's say as the next block comes in right here, again, it just kind of snaps together like this. We're going to throw a zip tie up here, but then the actual blocks themselves, so we have these 2 blocks, again, we're putting zip ties right there in order to hold them together. And the zip ties are there just to kind of keep shape while your concrete is drying. So now these 2 are together. Then the front right here, I'm going to come like this. Put that in the middle. Put that together. So now these 2 are tied here. Then we have our rebar. So for rebar, we have this outside corner piece where I have kind of like this shape that can kind of hug this corner right here. And I'm going to throw that on the outside, just like this. It's going to go on the outside. And then we have an inside piece of rebar as well that's going to go on that inside. So then that one is going to go into here. The last thing we are still going to do that you're not going to see in this video is put more rebar coming down like this, kind of in the same base that we have those dowels that are sticking out from the bottom here. So we're going to throw more rebar that's going to come in all the way down to kind of help root it into our footing. But this is very easy to do. Honestly, if you have a little bit of carpentry experience, this is something that you can figure out. And this is just way easier, I think, than pouring your cement block.